before we play together, let me troubleshoot a couple of common issues. So, first one is that your head joint is not pointed straight at the ceiling. This tone hole, if it had a laser beam in it, the laser beam would be pointed up at the ceiling. It can't be pointed towards you or pointed out. Okay, we want it pointed straight up, and that's it. So if you rolled in too far, you might get a sound, but it'll be lower. And you can see, you can't even see my tone hole anymore. So you want to have this as open as it can be and act as if there's a laser beam up there, okay? If it's rolled too far out, you won't get a sound at all. So the edge of that tone hole has got to be on your lip. And that's my best sound, isn't it? That's the one that's the most clear and vibrant, full of life, right? Okay, if you're not getting a sound, your aperture could be too big also. Did you see how big my aperture was? Look again. And I even puffed my cheeks out a little bit accidentally, so don't let yourself do that. We want your aperture, the little hole in your lips, to be no bigger than a coffee straw. And as you get really good at flute, like I know you will learn to change the size of your aperture for different notes. Okay, so we're going to play together. We're going to start with our closed low note. I play, you play. So I will play for 4 beats. My metronome is at 60, so you can do this also. I play for 4 beats, then you play for 4 beats, and we'll rest for 4 beats in between. So when I'm playing, I want you to listen. All right, here we go. Get set. Watch yourself in your mirror. 1, 2, close, low note, my turn. Your turn, ready, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and stop. My turn again. Take a big breath so you can last all the way. And go. 2, 3, 4, off. My turn again. Make it steady and still. Hold. 2, 3, 4, and stop. My turn. Your turn. Ready and go. Hold. 2, 3, 4, and stop. Now listen carefully to this one. Low for 2, then high for 2. Ready and go. Go low. Open. Again. My turn. Let's see if you can get sound on both of those notes. Your turn and low. Open. One more of those. My turn. Your turn, ready and go, and low, open. Now we're just going open. Ready, my turn. Your turn. You can do it, go. Hold, 2, 3, 4, and stop. My turn. Keep it calm and steady. Your turn, go. Play, 2, 3, 4, off. My turn, 2 more of these. Your turn, make your best sound, go. Hold, 2, 3, 4, off. Last one, best one, here we go. Your turn, ready and go. Hold, 2, 3, 4, and stop. Okay, I want you to try all 3 of those techniques. Close low for 2, open for 2, and then open for 4. Okay, I want you to try that on your own with your own metronome before you go to the next section.